And here we see our contestant in the banana suit, racing against fellow fruity challengers. I've got this! Let's go!
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever imagined creating cinema quality images and videos just by typing a text prompt without editing skills or heavy software? Today, I'm introducing you to WaveSpeed AI, an all-in-one AI model platform, not just a single tool. WaveSpeed AI brings multiple powerful AI models under one roof, so instead of switching between different websites or tools, you can do everything from one single dashboard. Recently, WaveSpeed AI launched several advanced AI models including Seedance 1.5 Pro, One 2.6, Seedream 4.5, and Google Nano Banana Pro. This means you can generate text to video, image to video, video to video, and text to image content all from one platform based on your exact needs. Now, let me show you how this platform actually works. First, you simply select the AI model you want to use. For this demo, I'll start with the Seedance 1.5 Pro model, which is known for realistic human motion and facial expressions. From here, I'll choose the text to video option. Instead of using a basic prompt, I'll use a detailed, fully integrated AI-themed prompt to properly showcase the model's real power. A man wearing a banana-themed suit running in a playful race alongside other contestants dressed as fruits. Colorful stadium, dynamic action, motion blur, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic animation. After entering this prompt, I select the aspect ratio, video duration, and resolution, then click Generate. The AI now starts processing. Once it's done, let's preview the video.
And here we see our contestant in the banana suit, racing against fellow fruity challengers. I've got this! Let's go!
As you can see, the movement, crowd reactions, and overall playful environment look very natural. You can preview it full screen or share it using a project link. Let's try another example to showcase a more realistic human interaction. Two friends meeting at a stylish bar, one friend offering a glass of wine to the other, warm ambient lighting, realistic facial expressions, casual conversation, cinematic 4K scene. Click Generate, wait for processing, and preview the result.
Hey, long time no see. Cheers to catching up. Thanks. This wine looks amazing. Let's drink to old memories and new adventures.
You can clearly see how facial expressions, lighting, and ambient details make the scene very realistic. Now, let's move to another creative example with a fun animated animal prompt. A cat wearing a cute night suit, sleeping on a cozy bed, waking up and preparing snacks for itself, eating happily, soft warm lighting, realistic fur and movements, ultra-detailed cinematic animation. After generating, the cat's movements and expressions are highly realistic, showing the power of Seedance 1.5 Pro for character animation. Now, let's test One 2.6 for creating stunning AI-themed images. Four people in astronaut suits landing their spaceship on an alien planet, greeted by friendly extraterrestrial beings, realistic space environment, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic detailed animation. I can also adjust image/video size, resolution, and other settings for more control. After clicking Generate, the AI processes the image or video.
We're down, team. Landing confirmed.
Sensors show no immediate threats. Atmosphere breathable.
Hull integrity stable. No breaches. They're coming. Look, stand by. Keep weapons holstered.
Welcome, travelers. We have waited.
And the results are stunning, detailed, and cinematic. Before we wrap up, let's quickly compare the two main models we use today. Seedance 1.5 Pro really shines when it comes to realistic human motion and facial expressions, Whether it's body movement, subtle facial emotions, or natural interactions, it handles character-based scenes extremely well. This makes it perfect for storytelling, short films, ads, or any content where human realism really matters. On the other hand, WAN 2.6 is more focused on cinematic visuals and large-scale scene creation. It performs especially well in sci-fi, space, AI-themed worlds, and visually rich environments, delivering strong atmosphere, lighting, and detail. It's a great choice for concept art, cinematic shots, and high-impact visuals. So in short, Seedance 1.5 Pro is ideal for realistic character animation. WAN 2.6 excels at cinematic environments and visual storytelling. And the best part is, you don't have to choose just one. That's where Wavespeed AI really stands out. Instead of juggling multiple tools and subscriptions, Wavespeed AI brings multiple top-tier AI models into one single platform. Here are a few reasons why it's especially powerful for YouTube creators. All-in-one platform, text to video, image to video, video to video, and text to image, all in one dashboard. Safe and stable. Reliable performance, consistent output quality. Fast model updates. New models are added quickly, so you're always using the latest tech. High generation speed. Both processing and rendering are impressively fast. No subscription required. You only pay for what you use. One API key. No switching accounts or platforms. Just one key for everything. Beginner-friendly, clean interface, easy to use even if you're new to AI creation. So, if you're a YouTuber, filmmaker, designer, or just someone exploring AI creativity, this platform makes the entire workflow much simpler and more efficient. If you want to try WaveSpeed AI yourself, register using the link in the description and you'll receive $1 free credits to test these models instantly. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.